Today I'm going to teach you how can you make your website in Next.js and deploy it under 10 minutes without even writing single piece of code. So let's get started. First you have to open your Chrome and write v0 and search it. Here you get like that this first website. Click on it and sign in. So you have two options. The first one is you are like going to select there one of the templates. Another one is like you can also share your screenshot, and based on your screenshot, V0 can make you website according to like your screenshot. And also you import your Figma, upload your project or your landing page. But here we are going to use prompt. We are going to develop our website from prompt. So basically, I do ChatGPT and told ChatGPT my requirements, and ChatGPT give me a prompt. So I'm going to paste that prompt here. Now we uploaded our prompt. We have to set enter. So here our website is generated. So here it is. View my work, get in touch, GitHub, LinkedIn, mail. Let's explore about section, skills, projects, experience, contact, and also we get that resume option on our portfolio website. So here also if you want to make any changes in that website, you can without even doing any code or writing any code. Just go to design and select the compartment that you want to change, like Alex 10. So yeah, you can change here. Currently, we are not going to change anything here, just going with default. Here you can also saw the files, all the files like in component, about, contact. All these files are like in Next.js. Now here you have two options. The first one is you copy this command in your VS Code and the code is directly copy paste into your VS Code. And another way is to download zip file of that folder of this application or this web page. So we are going with second option. We are going to download zip file of this web page, downloading it. Yeah, and web page is downloaded and opened. So here it is, our futuristic portfolio website folder. I extract all the documents or folders here to deploy this website. So for that, also we have to open our Chrome and search here Vercel. Go on first website. So okay, this is what type of page you are gonna see in Vercel.com. And we also have to mm, keep in mind that Vercel actually uses our GitHub repository to deploy our project. So first we have to make GitHub account or like make our repository in GitHub. So we type GitHub and then click enter, then open GitHub. Now okay, now we create a repository. Okay, one thing also have to keep in mind that you should log in your Vercel and GitHub with the same account. So now we create a repository. Okay, repository name my portfolio. Simply just create repository. Our repository is created and we are going to upload manually. Like so our code is going to upload it manually in GitHub repository. Just click here and choose your file. Minimize it, drag and drop your project. So our project is uploaded. Let's just check our files and just commit changes. Now all our files are uploaded in GitHub successfully. Now we have to go on Vercel and go to add new, then projects. And here we have to connect with GitHub. Now we have to install GitHub only. So click on install. Now our GitHub is connected to Vercel. Now we just have to import our my portfolio that is on our GitHub repository. Just import it. Here you can change your project name, but I am keep it as it. Just deploy. And boom, you created your website and also deploy it without even writing any code in Next.js. Just click on it and your website is live, working.